5. System Center Configuration Manager (SCCM), alternatives for desktop and server patching. Microsoft's flagship IT product is the SCCM, System Center Configuration Manager. It's a suite of products that manage your entire IT landscape. It can be deployed in a few steps and has a lot of automation built in to make it easy to use. Let's explore some System Center Configuration Manager alternatives for desktop and server patching. 1. Solarwind. Solarwind Patch Manager is a web-based patch management platform for all types of organizations to manage and patch Windows, Mac OS, and Linux computers. It is used by admins to deploy, configure, and update security patches across their network, servers, and applications. 2. ManageEngine. ManageEngine Endpoint Central is a powerful endpoint management platform that helps organizations detect, respond to, and prevent threats across their entire endpoints, including PCs, Macs, and mobile devices. 3. Jumpcloud. The Jumpcloud Patch Management Platform helps teams manage and deploy network patches. It provides a single place to manage all of your patching needs, from finding and testing new patches to deploying them to your network. 4. Automix. Automox is one of the tools which easily integrates into existing tools, including Microsoft SCCM. At any size, only Automox offers total visibility and management for each and every Windows, Mac OS, and Linux endpoint from a single platform. 5. NinjaOne. NinjaOne is the best remote monitoring and management tool, with a patching score of 93 out of 100. Its top-rated features include patch management, remote monitoring, application deployment, and asset management. Conclusion. Since patching is a routine mandatory task for every company, patch management makes this job effortless, cost-effective, and timely. There are several patch management software options, and a company's choice will entirely depend on its needs. Thanks for watching.